A2A, Agent to Agent, Playlist 4, Episode 3, the protocol almost no one is talking about yet. Last episode, in 2026, the production default for multi-agent systems is supervisor-worker. So here's the question we glossed over. How does an agent actually delegate to another agent? You know MCP, the protocol agents use to talk to tools. But what's the protocol when an agent needs to talk to another agent from a different vendor, in a different cloud, on a different framework? Until April 2025, there wasn't one. Every connection was custom code. That changed. Here's the layer most explanations conflate. MCP connects a single agent to its tools, the model talking to its environment. That's the vertical connection. A2A is a different protocol. It connects agents to other agents. Peer coordination across frameworks, vendors, and clouds. That's the horizontal connection. Different layers, both standards, both required for production. They are not competitors. They solve different problems in the same architecture. Said simply, agent to tool, agent to agent. If you've understood MCP, A2A is the missing other half of the same picture. Why this matters now? Google announced A2A on April 9, 2025. By June, they donated it to the Linux Foundation. By August, IBM's competing protocol ACP voluntarily merged into A2A. A2A's biggest rival joined it. By April 2026, more than 150 organizations support it. Google, Microsoft, AWS, Salesforce, SAP, ServiceNow, Workday, IBM. Native in every major cloud, production deployments across industries. In 1 year, it went from announcement to default infrastructure. Part 2, how A2A actually works, 5 steps, familiar pieces. Step 1, discovery. Every A2A agent publishes an agent card at /well-known agent-card.json. Step 2, capability check. The card declares skills, data types, and auth requirements. Step 3, authentication. OAuth 2.0, API keys, mutual TLS. Version 1.0 adds signed agent cards, cryptographic proof of who issued the card. Step 4, task delegation. JSON-RPC 2.0 over HTTP. Step 5, execution and artifacts. The remote agent runs the task, streams status, and returns the result. Notice what's not here. No new transport, no exotic protocol, HTTP, JSON-RPC, OAuth. The same web tech running enterprise software for 20 years. That's the design genius. 5 official SDKs. First implementation, 1 to 2 hours. Here's the architectural picture. A supervisor agent on top, running on Anthropic. Through A2A, it delegates to a research agent, different vendor. Through A2A, also to a code review agent, different framework. The supervisor doesn't care what they're built with, it just speaks A2A. Now each agent uses MCP to talk to its own tools. GitHub, Postgres, web search, file system. A2A horizontal, MCP vertical, 2 protocols, 1 coherent stack. Hold this picture. A2A goes sideways, between agents. MCP goes downward, from each agent to its tools. If you're ever confused about which protocol does what, ask one question. Is the connection between 2 agents or between an agent and a tool? That answers it. Why this episode matters, even if you never write an A2A client yourself. A2A is becoming infrastructure. Microsoft has it. AWS has it. Google has it. Salesforce, SAP, ServiceNow, Workday, all in. Anthropic shipped MCP and solved agent to tool. Google shipped A2A and solved agent to agent. Knowing both and knowing the difference is now table stakes for AI native development. 3 things to remember. A2A is the open protocol for agent to agent, different layer from MCP, complementary not competitive. It's real and adopted, 150 plus organizations, every major cloud. And the picture, A2A horizontally, MCP vertically. That's the 2026 multi-agent stack. Agent to tool, agent to agent, 2 layers, 1 stack. Next episode, sub-agent isolation. Subscribe.